How to link a CSS file to your HTML file in Visual Studio Code. So let's assume this is your project here where you have a CSS file, style CSS, and a page in HTML, which is this one, for example. Now you want to come to the head section of the file, and you can add it anywhere here. So for example, you can have it embedded like this, or you can have it import from a specific file by typing the following line of code, link, and then rel and equals the file name or the file type. So for example, style sheet here, space href and the reference or the path to the file. In this case, the file exists directly here, so we can type the name directly, style.css, and then you can press save and you can load up your HTML file again. And you can move these from here. So if you have embedded stuff, you can basically remove it and go back to your styles and include it here instead. And then save everything. Now, when you load up your HTML file, it should function as expected with the CSS file we've included from our project. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.